Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making the letter G. So we've gone all the way from A, B, C, D, E, F, and now we are in G. So I am just creating the round shape for now. So create something that looks like an O, almost like the letter O, or like number 0. Don't look at it. I'm going to create a shape straight upwards, sharing this into 2 fairly equal parts. And now for the one on my left hand side, I will be sharing it into 2 equal sections, so just into 2 like this. On my right hand side, I will be sharing into 3 equal parts, so 1, 2, and 3. So the left hand you share into 2, the right hand you share into 3. So the top, the bottom, and then these 3. Start braiding from here. So guys, for this side I shared into 3. I have braided the upper part into where I started my letter G. I am going to curve into the lower part of the 1/3 of this side where we shared into 3, still just following the shape of the G that we created initially, you know. And then when I get to the middle part of this section, I am just going to braid up and into here. So I will share this into 2 just to guide me and make me not add the whole hair while still coming up. So I will braid this all the way to the top, and then braid it inwards into the G to create this hand or leg or stomach or whatever it is you choose to call it. That is a pretty G. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Hey guys, for this tail, because I would want to like disguise it, if you had a hairstyle that would allow you braid this into here, I think it actually looks nice and still like a G. but because I don't have such plans, I am going to sew it on here as usual, trying to sew it exactly on top of the previous braid so that it doesn't fall on my sectioning or on my line, because if it does, everything is going to look muddy or messy. So let's sew this. And now guys, I am going to accessorize the braids with this, just to help it stand out further and not blend with the whole head. So now guys, I didn't press this dot so much on this side because the braid is slimmer here, but I am going to press it as much as I can on this other side because I am going to try to reduce the size of this place I braided on top so that it can kind of blend in with the size of my braid. So I'm going to press it as much as I can to make it small, to make it smaller than it actually is. As I said while braiding the other alphabet, do what you have to do to make your alphabet look like you want it to look as you want it to look. So there you go. We are done. This is our letter G and it looks good. Let's give you a closer look. There you go.